Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Samsung 212 liters direct cool single door 4-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 212 liters, compressor type, inverter, star rating 4-star for energy saving up to 45%, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit and warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type, top freezer. Number of doors 1. Color blooming saffron blue. Cost price 20,000 and warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. To order this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.